Welcome, 5 Minutes Commodities. We are returning and we are starting with a huge market that have an amazing potential in 2026, and it's not gold, it's not any energy sources, it's not copper. You're gonna be surprised, so stay tuned and watch it with me right now as I will tell you what's going on and why I think it's gonna be rising this year so much. What I have here, you can see it's a one simple, a little underpriced commodity. It's called uranium. It's needed for nuclear power plants. And we know it's very needed right now, especially due to rising levels of data centers and AI usage. When this commodity become a part of futures market, it started with almost $140 per pound, so it's a lot. And we have a huge rising in 2024 in January, and then we're gonna drop back to $63.50, and now in January we are around $85, and it doesn't look very special, but we know that the top level of prices is over $140. Why I think this market has a huge potential right now? It's pretty simple. I selected 3 companies that running some uranium mines, and it's Cameco from Canada, is Kazatomprom from Kazakhstan, and Uranium Energy, it's United States company. So if we take a closer look here, we have it very low level in 2016. Since 2016, I know it's 10 years, yeah, but take a look here. What we've got here on the uranium market, it's $16, $18 about the price of the uranium. But if we take a closer look, we have it here Cameco for less than 7.6. We've got Uranium Energy for $0.07, and we've got this Kazatomprom. I always have a problem with naming this name, of saying this name, Kazatomprom, and it's in the United States dollars. It was costing about $12 per action, per share. So what we see now, Kazakhstan company almost $73, which is 6 times more. This uranium price is 85, which is 5 times more, but take a closer look here on Cameco. Cameco is $122, and it was around 7.5, so it's raised a lot, over 20 times, and 0.7 for Uranium Energy from to 18.8 today on 21st January 2026. It means it also raised about almost 30 times. So we can see this, and now we see that the uranium price rise 4.5 times the uranium itself. That's why I think the uranium is gonna be a black horse here, because we all probably hear that Microsoft signed a deal with closed due to too large costs nuclear power plant in United States to power Microsoft data centers. If they expecting so much surge in their need for power, that means it's something on place. So I think uranium we're gonna reach, because we have several projects ongoing, building to be finished this year, several projects to be started this year, and more on coming on the next year. And yes, also I have a request for you. Quickly, there is a conference, InvestCaps 2026 in Poland. It's biggest in Central Europe, and I'm nominated for 2 categories for their award, analyst and market influencer. And what I wish you to do is vote. It's free. You scan it, see the form, select analyst and influencer, and put a Twoje dane, it's your data, first name, email, and tick the first box. It's a low requirement that you participate in this and voted. Simple as that. So thank you very much in advance, and see you later on the next 5 Minutes Commodities.